Hello, once again, you are welcome to Financial Education Platform, where we share principles and opportunities that can help people to do well financially. I have a mandate. My mandate from the Lord is to rescue people from financial predicament through financial education. This has been my calling into ministry over the years, and this has been my passion, and this has been the message that the Lord gave to me. And the Lord just told me recently to go on air. All right? And that is why I created this platform where I can share principles and opportunities with believers, most particularly on how they can do well financially. All right. Now we have been dealing on the subject of becoming a money magnet. Becoming a money magnet. We have been looking at some of the principles you can apply to help you become a money magnet. I've looked at principle A, principle B, principle C, principle D. Today, I'm going to be dwelling on principle E. Principle E. Remember I said I'm going to be sharing each of the principles with you alphabetically from A to Z. So today we are dwelling on principle E for making money. What does E stand for? E stands for exercise patience. All right, you want to become a money magnet, you need to exercise patience in whatever you are doing. All right, no rich man became rich in one day. It took a process before they became rich eventually. All right, most of them failed several times, but despite the challenges that came their way, they never gave up. Are you hearing me? So you want to really become a money magnet, you must learn to exercise patience in whatever you are doing. When some of them started their business, initially, they never made any profit at all. They never made any profit when they started. But they had to wait for years before eventually they start making money. Hear me today. It takes time to become a money magnet. You must learn to be patient, all right, in whatever you are doing to make money. Remember that Rome was not built in a day. You must learn to go slow and steady until you hit your target. The Dangote we are all hearing of today. Oh, Dangote, who is now the richest man in Nigeria and also the richest man in Africa and one of the richest men in the world. Dangote didn't become rich overnight. He didn't become a money magnet overnight. It took him years. So don't expect to make it overnight. Don't think you can just start a business today and then tomorrow you become a millionaire. It's not like that. All right? Whatever you are doing, you need to exercise patience. You should be able to endure. I remember my wife started a school in one of the communities somewhere in Warri. And when she started, it was like a child's play. The pupils that we had initially were not much. Guess what? As I speak to you today, by the grace of God, the pupils we have in that school, there are over 300 today. And we kept on increasing on timely basis. That is the handwork of God. But do you know, if my wife were not patient enough, looking at where she came from, because she was in a particular school some time ago, and due to some political undertones and some political ministerial arrangement, they pushed my wife aside and they took over the school from her because we were serving a particular ministry. They took the school from her. She came back home. I told her, forget about them. Start your own thing. She took time, waited upon the Lord, prayed, and when she got the green light, she started. When she began, it was like a child's play. The pupils were not many initially, but today, that school is one of the envy in that town today. What am I trying to say? You need patience. You want to make money in life? You want to become a money magnet? You don't need to be in a hurry. It is due to this rush, this crave to make money overnight that have lured a lot of people into what they were not supposed to get involved with. A lot of people have gone into ritual, they've gone into killing just to make money. Some because they are not patient, they have gone into what we call Yahoo Yahoo. They do so many terrible things, all because they want to make money overnight. They want to hammer overnight. Listen to me. You don't hammer overnight. When it comes to money making, you don't make money overnight. Anybody that wants to become a magnet must have the patience of a farmer. There's no farmer that goes to the farm that plants a particular crop and expects to reap and harvest the following day. No, it takes time. Any farmer that is not patient enough to wait for the day of harvest cannot enjoy the harvest from his efforts. Alright, so you want to become a money magnet, you must learn to be patient. When you plant cassava today, you can't harvest cassava tomorrow. It takes a very long time, maybe between 9 months to 12 months before you can harvest the cassava. If you planted mango, fruit, or orange seeds, don't expect it to just begin to produce overnight. You must be ready to wait. Wait patiently. Grow that business. Grow that investment little by little, little by little, little by little. In less than no time, you become successful financially, you become a financial guru, and you become a money magnet. So what am I trying to say today? You want to become a money magnet? You must be ready to exercise patience. Apply this principle. You don't, listen, financial success is a gradual process. You grow gradually. Somebody once said, when you jump to the top, you fall down. But when you grow to the top, you remain on top. All right? So people that are always in a hurry to go to the top financially always end up at the bottom. But whatever thing you are doing, just be patient with it. That little business you are doing today, don't joke with it. All right? That investment you are doing today, don't joke with it. It's a matter of time. Keep putting in your best. Do everything you need to do. All right? And watch out. By the grace of God, with time, that your effort will produce result for you. And eventually, you end up becoming a financial guru and you become a money magnet. Thank you once again for finding time to listen to me. I want to end it here for today. If this video is of benefit to you, why not you just share it with some of your friends, your family members. Share it on other platforms so that people can benefit from it. All right? And if you have any comment to make, please kindly make your comment. Make your comment. And if this is your first time of watching me on this channel on YouTube, you can kindly subscribe so that when my next videos will be out, you will get notification. All right? So thank you very much once again for finding time to listen to me. This is the Finance Minister saying, see you on top. God bless you.